Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Gmail storage problem. As you can see on the screen, I'm getting this alert. I'm getting this message that my Gmail is out of storage. I'm sure if you're watching this video, your Gmail and your Google one is out of storage. So I'll show you how to fix this at the fastest way in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. So we have opened our Gmail and there are two ways that we're gonna see how we can fix this. First is using only the search operator, the search bar here. So I'm going to be giving you a cheat sheet, that is this one, which will help you find out all the emails. As you can see, I have more than 20,000 emails. I cannot go to every email and manually just search and delete it. So there is a cheat code which you can use. For example, we'll see the first one, which is to find large emails. So to find the large emails, all you have to do is just type here large colon 10 ms 10 MB, and if you hit enter, you will see all the emails that are more than 10 MB. And if they are old, you can see they are from 22, 23. I don't want them, so you can select all and just delete. So that's how you do it. And if you want to change this to, let's say, 20 MB, you can do that and hit enter. I don't have any emails that are more than 20 MB, so let's say I'll go for 5 MB. I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of emails that are more than 5 MB. So I see that these emails are not really required. They are very old and I don't want them. So select all and delete. So this is one way. This is the first cheat code, which is to find the large emails in your Gmail and based on the size and delete them. The second one is very simple, to find all the emails with attachments. So let's just go back and type. You can either type or copy paste from the sheet. It's up to you guys. So the code is how you search is you just start typing has colon and attachment. No need to enter a long search query. So now you can see we are gonna get hundreds of emails that has attachment, and just make sure these emails are older. So how you can do that is by further filtering it using this button over here, anytime older than 1 year. So now I can see all my credit card statements and my bank account, my investments, which I don't really, these emails, I don't want them. So I can just go ahead and search all, and let's see if there's anything important. I don't think so. Okay, so once you are very sure, just go ahead and delete. So that will free up a lot of space. And another method is to search for the emails that are larger than a certain size. For example, let's say you copy this, the same alert, okay, and then you just enter larger column and 5 MB, and now it will give you all the emails that are larger than 5 MB. I don't have any, so I'll search for 3 MB, collect, okay, I'll select this and this and delete. And you also have a beautiful method how you can directly go to the older emails and delete them. I'll just copy this and search. So there's nothing in the cheat code, is just how the Gmail understand how to filter out, how to fine tune and find the emails that are older than, let's say, 1 year. 1Y is 1 year. Let's say 2 years, and I'll reduce the size to 3 MB. There's nothing. I'll change it to 2 MB. There you go. We have all these emails that I don't want. I'll keep this one. And files, okay, change of email, a deep, okay, interview call, Tesco, okay, and delete. So, and we have a few more methods, that is to find the emails that you have sent with attachments. So you don't have to go to sent items and find them. You can do all this search from your search bar of your Gmail. So you can see I have a lot of emails. So for privacy concerns, I will not show you that. So another method is to delete the emails from trash and spam. So let's go back and search for in colon trash, and this will show all the emails that are in the trash, and select all and go ahead and delete forever, sorry. So you'll delete these emails as well. and I hope that has fixed the issue. Unfortunately, it has not. So this is one method, using only the search bar and giving all the different types of search, you can say, filters, and finding out. You also have another method called file type search. This is nothing but to find out if you have any MP4 or PDFs. You can see I have hundreds of PDFs. You can go ahead and just explore, just play around with this, and you will figure out. And if you have any unread heavy emails, you can search using this query, and a few more here. So that's just one method. I will leave this sheet, a link to download the sheet in the description for you guys to understand. So this is going to help you guys if you don't have one Google One storage and you only have the default 15 GB, which is, I'm sure, full. That's why you're watching this video. So just this is one method. The second method is to go ahead and actually delete the videos and the photos that you don't really want. So to do that, just click on cleanup space, and this will open the OneDrive manager, or you can say storage manager. So you can see more than 30 GB I've already used, and this will give you the cleanup suggestions. So large photos and videos are more than 10 GB. This is fine. You can delete this anytime. This, I'm sure, 83 MB would not cost anything. You can still cover this within the storage plan that you have. And this is also okay if you want to delete. You can delete using the method I showed you a while ago. And let's go ahead and delete these photos and videos. So I'll give you a trick how to delete this in bulk. So if you keep deleting, you have to do this multiple times. Okay, if you keep selecting all and deleting. So one of the methods that I have found is to scroll as much as you can and click on show more. So what this will do is this will just view all the videos and the large files that you have. Okay, once you're done, once you find out that, okay, you know what, I want to delete this, you can go ahead and click on this select all button. See, instead of 32, it's showing as 256, which is huge, more than 10 GB. And click on move to trash and go ahead and understand. So this is gonna be deleted in 60 days. In case you have deleted important video or the photo, I'm sure you have an additional backup, or you will not end up deleting everything. So you can go to your trash folder and just get it back only in 60 days. And you can see we have cleaned up 10.2 GB, which is huge. And now you can say our storage is 66. It's freed, where I can go ahead and use this for another 3-4 months. I don't have to delete. I'll close this, and now that alert is gone. So that's how you can literally fix your Google storage problem or Google OneDrive subscription problem because of storage full without upgrading. The best way is to upgrade and buy the storage, keep everything for your documentation, for your memories. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more such videos, don't forget to check my channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.